Tired of those sky-high mobile bills and ready for a smarter, more affordable wireless solution? Then get ready to ditch the magenta and join the Mint Mobile revolution. This video is your ultimate guide to switching from T-Mobile to Mint Mobile, making the process seamless and stress-free. Step 1. Check your phone's compatibility. Most unlocked GSM phones that work with T-Mobile will also work with Mint Mobile. You can use Mint Mobile's online checker on their website. Just enter your phone's IMEI number. Step 2. Explore Mint Mobile's plans. They offer a variety of data options to fit your needs and budget. All prepaid. Consider how much data you typically use each month to choose the perfect plan. Keep in mind, you get the best price when you sign up for longer terms like 3, 6, or 12 months. Step 3. Order your Mint Mobile SIM kit. You can do this directly from their website. Choose whether you want a new phone number or to port your existing T-Mobile number over. I recommend porting, so you don't have to update all your contacts. So let's talk about how to do that. Step 4. Gather your T-Mobile account information. You'll need your T-Mobile account number and PIN. This is essential for porting your number seamlessly. This information can usually be found in your T-Mobile account online or through their app. Step 5. Activate your Mint Mobile service. Once your SIM kit arrives, follow the activation instructions on the Mint Mobile app or website. This is where you'll enter your T-Mobile account information to port your number. This process can take a few minutes to a few hours, so be patient. Your mobile service will automatically deactivate once the port is complete. Step 6. Enjoy your savings. Once your Mint Mobile service is active, you can download their app to manage your account, track your data usage, and more, all while saving a bunch of money. Welcome to the Mint Mobile family. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful guides.